Welcome to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we dive deep into a luxury sedan that has been making waves in the high-end market, the 2025 Genesis 90. With its stunning design, cutting-edge features, and exceptional performance, this flagship sedan challenges the best in the business. Buckle up as we explore what makes the Genesis 90 a true masterpiece. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Genesis G90 exudes elegance and authority from every angle. Genesis has taken its design language to new heights, with the G90 embodying the perfect fusion of sophistication and modernity. Up front, the bold crest grille demands attention, with its intricate diamond pattern, surrounded by extreme attunements from the 1930s to make its luxury decorations enlivenment forever. These headlights feature Genesis's signature two-line design, seamlessly integrated into the hood and fenders for a cohesive, streamlined look. Moving along the sides, the 90's silhouette is both muscular and refined, thanks to its long wheelbase and smooth character lines. The roofline slopes gracefully toward the rear, giving the sedan a coupe-like profile without compromising rear headroom. Large, multi-spoke alloy wheels, available in up to 21 inches, add a touch of sporty flair to this otherwise stately design. At the rear, the two-line LED taillights echo the front's design, creating a harmonious flow from nose to tail. A subtle lip spoiler and neatly integrated chrome exhaust tips underline the sedan's performance potential while maintaining its upscale demeanor. The color palette for the 2025 G90 is equally striking, with options like Macalou Grey Matte and Capri Blue showcasing Genesis's attention to detail in every shade. Interior. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines luxury. The 2025 Genesis 90's interior is an oasis of comfort, craftsmanship, and technology. Every material, every stitch, and every surface has been meticulously curated to offer an unparalleled experience for both driver and passengers. The dashboard is an elegant blend of high-quality leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum accents. Genesis has opted for a minimalist design, with most functions seamlessly integrated into the dual 12.3-inch digital displays. The instrument cluster provides customizable driving information, while the infotainment system offers intuitive controls for navigation, media, and connectivity features. The steering wheel is a piece of art, wrapped in supple leather and featuring touch-sensitive controls that keep everything at your fingertips. Ambient lighting, customizable in 64 colors, bathes the cabin in a soothing glow, creating an atmosphere tailored to your mood. Now, let's talk seating. The 90 offers quilted Nappa leather seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats are particularly impressive as they come with reclining and memory functions, ensuring first-class comfort. Rear passengers also enjoy an 8-inch touchscreen control panel for climate and entertainment settings, as well as sunshades for added privacy. Genesis has also gone the extra mile to create a serene environment inside the 90. Double laminated glass, active noise cancellation, and a multi-chamber air purification system work together to block out external noise and provide clean, fresh air. And for audiophiles, the 90 offers a Bang & Olufsen 3D surround sound system with 23 speakers, delivering an immersive listening experience. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis 90 doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering a robust 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ff of torque. For those seeking even more power, an optional 48V electric supercharger boosts output to 409 horsepower, ensuring thrilling acceleration and effortless highway cruising. Power is sent to all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and precise shifts. The 90 features Genesis's advanced HTRAC all-wheel drive system, which intelligently distributes power to enhance grip and stability, whether you're navigating rain-slicked roads or tackling sharp corners. But performance isn't just about power, it's also about refinement. The 90 is equipped with an adaptive suspension system that uses cameras to scan the road ahead, adjusting damping in real time to ensure a silky smooth ride. Steering is responsive and well-weighted, striking a perfect balance between agility and comfort. Genesis has also prioritized fuel efficiency, with the base engine offering a respectable EPA-estimated 21 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. The optional mild hybrid system further enhances efficiency while providing seamless start-stop functionality and extra low-end torque. The 2025 Genesis G90 is packed with technology designed to make your driving experience safer and more convenient. The car features an augmented reality head-up display, projecting navigation directions and key vehicle information onto the windshield for easy visibility. The Smart Parking Assist feature allows the G90 to park itself, even in tight spaces, while a surround view camera system ensures you never miss a blind spot. The G90 also includes the Genesis digital key, which lets you lock, unlock, and start the car using your smartphone, and with over-the-air updates, your car's software will always stay up to date with the latest features and improvements. Let's talk about price. The 2025 Genesis 90 starts at $89,495 for the base model, while the fully laded version, with all the bells and whistles, will set you back around $100,995. When you consider the level of luxury, performance, and technology on offer, it's clear that Genesis is delivering incredible value compared to its German and Japanese competitors. So, is the 2025 Genesis 90 the ultimate luxury sedan? With its stunning design, plush interior, and innovative features, it certainly makes a compelling case. Whether you're looking for a serene daily driver or a statement of sophistication, the G90 delivers in every aspect. Thanks for tuning into Car Alerts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and all the latest car news. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.